Hey everyone, I'm Mike P. Reeder, President of Reeder Precision Solutions. Today we're here at our new, soon-to-be home 555 location in Elkhorn, Wisconsin, giving you a sneak peek at some of the renovations going on.
And I'm Samantha Betley, Process Manager here, helping oversee all the different developments happening and making sure everything's running smoothly.
We're super excited later this year to consolidate both of our subsidiary companies, Precision Plus and Isley Precision, under one roof. Want to take a look at some of the stuff going on?
Let's go!
Since we broke ground in early July, there's been a ton of progress. We're really proud of the work our team and partners have been putting in.
Our teams at RPS have been working closely with Maas Brothers Construction, Excel Engineering, Adams Power, and more to ensure every detail is perfect. This new space is really going to help elevate our capabilities and set the stage for greater things ahead. From the layout to the infrastructure, everything is designed to optimize our operations and create a state-of-the-art environment for precision machining.
We can't wait to show you more as things progress here at 555.
Stay tuned for more updates and behind the scenes of the new home of Reeder Precision Solutions.